What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's episode we're going to be covering all the big hitters, basically Tavarish, DD, Stradman and a few others as well. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do consider smashing the subscribe button and the like button. Do get involved, do comment below and check out my other videos. We are hoping to get to 2,000 subs by the end of the year. Every subscription means the world to me, guys. I hope it gives the channel a chance, and we're just here to discuss about what goes on, reactions, and I try to do podcasts with other car YouTubers, and I'm hopefully praying to fuck we can get a project car in July or August as well. So that's basically the plans, and yeah, we're going to jump into today's video and we're going to kick it off with Stradman. And unfortunately, it's very sad news on Stradman's latest video. Major condolences to James and his family from myself. I'm sure there's absolutely thousands of people out there that watch his videos where his father has unfortunately passed away. And I know exactly what James is going through. I've been there 13 years ago when I was selling my first modified car, getting my Supra. My mother passed away from breast cancer and I never got to take her in the Supra, and it was heartbreaking, and I totally understand what he's going through. That video really hit me. I didn't do YouTube back then, 13 years ago, but I teared up watching it, and I really feel for James and know where he's coming from. And all I can say is, when you lose somebody that close that you love, it takes time to grieve, to heal, to get over it. And as TJ Hunt says, all I can do is keep moving forward, but it's going to take him time. And I really feel for him. He got his Lamborghini Aventador finished, the Liberty White arch-kitted Aventador, and it did come out awesome, guys. I mean, it was so hard to watch him trying to get through everything that went with his dad. His dad died, heart attack. It's unbelievably. I really feel for him. The car looks amazing. It came out great. I mean, he's gotten everything spot on with the carbon fiber bits and pieces. And it just is going to be a tribute to his dad, that car. And I'm glad he got it finished, and at least his dad did get to drive in that car with him somewhat way. Guys, all we can say is our condolences here, and sure, you can have your condolences in the comments below. Sad time for James, and thoughts and prayers are sending from Ireland, and hopefully he'll over time he'll get a bit better. And yeah, guys, it's shocking news, and all I can do is support James at this time. So yeah, guys, check out his video. The Aventador came out amazing. Cannot wait to see more content with it. And just the end of it with the music and everything, it was just well shot, and just amazing. And look, we'll just hopefully see Stradman again. And I even put up a post saying, take your time about coming back. It's what can you do, guys? So yeah, unfortunately bad news to kick it off, guys. But moving on, we're going to kick out, or we're just going to get on to DDE. DDE have come out with their latest video basically saying that now they are working about getting back down to LA. They have too many cars, and they've asked the audience what cars should they sell. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What cars should they get rid of? Have you made up your mind what ones they should sell and what they should keep? I think they said they want to get rid of 3 cars. I've made my mind up on what 3 they should get rid of. The R35, the R34. I don't think Dave's going to get rid of his Integra. He'll probably keep adding to that. I mean, I want them to get rid of the cars that won't feature that much, I wouldn't be too sad if they got rid of the Porsche GT3 RS. I honestly don't. I wonder if Dave really does have a say in what cars come and go, because at the end of the day, I think the company is in Dave's name, and Dave is down as obviously probably employed by the company, but at the end of the day, I think it's Dave's call of what cars kind of come and go on the channel. But I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What 3 cars do you want to leave? I definitely wanted to keep the Murcielago. That's like my favourite car in the whole fleet. I've really come around to liking the Lamborghini Huracan Aperta. I think that'd be really cool down in LA. Hold on to the CGT. The Squadra Corsa, I wouldn't mind if that went, as much as I know it's 1 of 50 and it's got the VF supercharger from VF Engineering on it. that wouldn't bother me if that went. But yeah, I can't remember. There's so many cars there, guys. I think they said 16 in total. So let me know in the comments below which ones you want to see them get rid of, because yeah, I've made my picks on them. Next up is going to be Tavarish. Tavarish, basically a new car track, I don't know, mini series, I suppose, or is it a proper series? I'm not too sure. They've gone away and bought 3 of the cheapest Ferraris, I suppose you could say. It's such good chemistry, you know, when Hoovy and Tavarish and Ed Bowling get together. I know Ed kind of did cheat, but he ended up like just he ended up with the nicest car there, but ended up with the biggest bill there. It was, you know, when they get together, there's some chuckles, and it's funny when the wizard checks out the cars, how much issues they have with them. And just what they go through with the cars. It's good, you know, tongue-in-cheek banter with them. But the 599 is definitely my favourite out of the 3 of them. Now, the 308's pretty nice, but yeah, I think the one for me was the 599. So I think the next episode, I can't remember what they're going to do next episode. They're in Texas, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I wonder which one's going to break down first. It looks like it's going to be the 308. Like, Freddie is an absolute disaster. He had so much time to fix that car, to get it ready, and he did 3 days work on it, and that was it. But as usual, I think the way they're obviously doing car track now to be entertainment, and they don't want to fix them too much. They want stuff to go wrong with them, otherwise it just wouldn't be, you know, bother doing it. But let me know which car out of the 3 of them is your favourites, guys. Definitely the 599 for me. Next up is going to be Royalty Exotics. They have started their Royalty rally, and it has started off with a bang. Literally, like with 2 bangs, I suppose. I mean, typical, you know, Royalty. They started off first thing the GT, his 4 GTs, 1100 horsepower GT, blows a pipe off it. I can't remember the exact name of the pipe. That they had to get that fixed. A guy crashed his Ferrari FF. Now, I guess Life of Policies news and everything. I saw his Life Policies thumbnail, and his headline saying people are saying that his FF crashed. I don't know why this is being brought up. Why the hell would people think that? Look, this is just my own personal opinion. Like, he would have announced if he was going on that rally, first of all. Like, you know what I mean? Like, he would have been announced it ages ago. Why would people think it's his FF? And I don't know even why he feels like he has to cover it. Like, because I just don't know why people think it's his FF. It's just not. But the FF was mangled, completely rode off. It's screwed. 2 people got in a fight. One guy punched another guy in the face because he was basically up his ass driving, so they got in a fight over that. And the biggest thing in the comments below, if you have watched the video, was fucking Mondi being an absolute idiot. The guy is going to kill somebody the way he's driving. I just feel like with Mondi, like, he's literally just dropped his channel. He won't even post his channel anymore, which I'm pretty pissed off about. He resprayed his AMG GTR in like a midnight purple, which looks absolutely sick. And he nearly caused a major crash going up some twisty one-way, well, not one-way, but like one car, like, I don't know what it was, valley or whatever, and he nearly went straight into another car like an idiot. He's driving like an absolute lunatic at this rally, and like, as people say, he's going to run out of luck at some stage, and he's going to kill somebody or cause a serious accident. I'm all well and good for shenanigans and stuff, but when you're doing reckless driving and that just for the sake of a camera for YouTube, I think it's fucking stupid. Like, I hope he'll calm down, but, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if he ends up getting, you know, something major happening to him, like in this rally, because of the way he's driving. Just as idiotic, like. But yeah, look, guys, wait till the next 2 or 3 videos that come out. You know, there's some crazy shit going to happen on this rally. You know, when they get together, Houston and Mondi, there's always something nuts. It's 40 cars, and it's going to be absolute madness. So we'll see. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the episode if you've watched it. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be Watch This Media. They are back with a new video. Thank fucking Christ, they are back. They got, I think this is one of his best scenic 4K shots with a Lexus LC500. It is unbelievable. I'm just going to give you this quick clip because you got to check this video out, guys. It is unbelievable, just fucking savage. I just speechless. Like, I watched that 3-minute video, I was like, this guy is so gifted. My favourite part in that video was the way the sun was setting, the view of the sea. Obviously he was up by Monterey, going along the coast. I was just like, my God, like this is, when they make videos like this is why I love cars, and cars my hobby. When you have a guy that's talented that can make cars with that scenery, it's just, for me, it's the most perfect thing ever, and why I love driving and having scenery like that. It's just unbelievable, and that guy is just so gifted, guys. So definitely check out the video and let me know what you think in the comments below. It's just stunning work, and I can't wait to cover more of his videos. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you again for 1 million if you watched to the end. Again, do please subscribe, it means a lot to me, and my regular commenters, please do keep smashing the like button for that YouTube algorithm. Let's get this video up there, and just the channel growing, and I promise you we will get there slowly but surely to the 2,000 sub rage. And yeah, so thanks a million, guys. Till the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.